Right, let me show you the comparison between drums and excavators. Alright, the principle is the same, but the two things are different. Let me show you. The left hand joystick represents your snare or either your hi-hat if you are left-handed, while the snare if you are right-handed. The right hand joystick represents your hi-hat or either your snare if you are left-handed, and if you are right-handed, this represents your hi-hat. The two pedals in front of me can be represented as your bass drum or your hi-hat pedals. If you are a right-handed drummer, then this is your bass drum and this is your hi-hat. If you're a left-handed drummer, this is your bass drum and this is your hi-hat. Alright, your workplace represents the music that you play on the drums. For me, I operated the breaker excavator. This pedal type of thing represents the cowbell or any auxiliary drums accessories.